When you purchase a new LED light, you may wonder, is this going to fit my reflector or projector headlight? Most of us can't really choose what type of headlight housing comes with our car. So, what is the difference, and what types of LED light will fit? Let's start with the classic reflector. First, you will notice the optics dome interior. Those optics were meant to reflect the light into the desired pattern. The reflector has the advantage of a simple structure and a more focusing light spot. But one of the downsides is that the light pattern is less intense and has some dark zone. Projector housing has a more complex structure. Most of it comes with a cutoff shield, which is used to restrain the light spread. It could reduce the risk of obscuring the vision of oncoming traffic. The rest of the light goes through the lens and formed into a flood light with a clear cutting edge. One of the majority differences is that the reflector housing is much brighter on the center spot, but not as good as providing an ideal light spread like the projector. The reflector housing is cheaper to make and easy to fix. That is the reason why most automotive manufacturers will prefer reflector housing. It also has a smaller room than the projector headlight. The projector housing has a better spreading beam pattern. It could switch between high beam and low beam with one light bulb, have no dark spots. Most users would prefer the projector housing because of the clean cutting edge and cool looking appearance. When you select LED lights for the reflector housing, the best reference would be the stock headlamp bulb. Most LED lights have a similar structure to the halogen or HID bulb's filament. That is because reflector housing has strict requirements for the light source position, so the optics can reflect the light source correctly. For the reflector housing, you could use H4, H13, and 9007, 9004 to fit the reflector headlight. The projector housing is more forgiving due to the cutoff shield structure and a deeper housing room. That makes the light position requirement much wider and be able to fit either halogen, HID or LED. That means, as long as the light plates are in a similar position as the original light bulb's filament, you could basically use any type of LED light for the projector housing.